Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to another reveal. We are doing a countdown to release day, March 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. We will have all our new releases available at the Not Too Shabby shop. Yesterday we revealed this really cute stamp set called Hey Lady. Super fun. Let me share the card in case you missed the video. It turned out really super cute, and it's been a while since I've done one of these action wobbler cards. Look how fun that is. So I thought that cute little guy was perfect to be wobbling because he looks like he's jumping up in the air, and he's got his wings up like he is flying. So isn't that adorable? And I love the color combination with the red and yellow. You could do like a red and purple or red and orange. I mean, just the color combinations you can come up with are going to be so cute. So get ready for spring with this box of the month. I'm calling the box SpringThings. We're going to reveal the coordinating paper and ephemera to the stamp set, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun with it. So let's go ahead and share that. But I first did want to mention, in case you missed it, I will be listing the coordinating die for the stamp set. That will be available as a separate purchase. It does not come in your box, so you'll need to come over to the website at 9 a.m. on the 1st and pick up the coordinating die if you wish to have the die. There are limited quantities on the dies, so I think once those are sold out, they will be no longer available. So let's flip this over. So we've got Little Ladybugs paper pad, 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each design, and it's coordinating ephemera. So let's go through this. So our box of the month is our best seller. It retails for $74, but you get the bundle price. The bundle price is $58.99, and that's 20% off of retail. Plus, if you join the club and join our monthly subscription, you're getting 25% off. So I think that's an amazing deal. You'll reserve your box each month, and then it'll get shipped to you automatically every 30 days, so you don't have to worry about it, which is really nice. I love how bright this red is. It is so pretty. There's some splatters on there and like some stars. And then we've got a really cute green color with those adorable ladybugs. This is a really pretty pattern. Little polka dots and some splatters of gold. And I love the softness of the colors. And then this really pretty greenery sheet. Very nice. We've got those cute ladybugs in a patch of grass on some black and white polka dot background. Here's some nice scallops, and then you can see the cute little polka dot little ladybug pattern in there. Nice ladybug polka dots, and then that really pretty greenery with some red flowers in there to tie it all together. Here's a nice yellow background with some flowers and that cute little ladybug and the mushroom. And then this nice one. I love that red color. It's just very pretty and vibrant. Here's a nice polka dot. It's kind of like a goldish color. Really like that. Love the characters. So this does start repeating. So you get 4 of each design in here. Love that Teresa does that. So that way, if you have a favorite pattern, you can use one and hoard one. So let's check out the ephemera. So we've got some banners that have sentiments. You're cute as a bug. You make my heart smile. Enjoy the little things. You're cute as a bug. Enjoy the little things. So you get 2 of each. We've got a heart, this cute little guy with, look at his little antennas are made out of flowers. There's a patch of grass with some flowers. There's a mushroom. Here's another patch. And I think that one's adorable. They got such cute smiles. And there's another type of mushroom. A floral. We've got another you're cute as a bug banner. There's that cute one that's on the stamp set. So there's two of those. There's this one's just a little bit different. The little antennas are different. The smile's a little bit different. Look at that guy. He's in full flight. He's really cute. And then here's the second one for that. There's another one of that one. She's really cute. She's got a big bow. So you get two of her. Here's a big mushroom. You can have them standing on top of this mushroom. So cute. Another mushroom. And some florals in different sizes and hearts. We've got two green hearts as well. So super fun. I just really, really love the images. So we're going to create a card using the paper and the ephemera. So I am going to look through here and think about which patterns I want to use. Oh, that one's so stinking cute. I really want to use this one. I really like that. And then that red is really pretty. So maybe we can use some of that side and some of this side and use one of the characters. That's just so stinking cute. Love it. Love it. So maybe I want to put in maybe some of this polka dots. So let's see which polka dots I want to use. I could use this one, or I can go more subtle with this one. Or I can do the pastel. I think I'm going to do this one. Matches really nicely with the color for their bodies. So let's see what we come up with. Okay, so we have some panels all cut out. I have some nice stitching around all my pieces here. These are going to be Not Too Shabby dies coming soon in the future. So I will announce that when they are available, but they will cut like this. And I just am loving the stitching around my panels. And I'm choosing this sentiment here, you're cute as a bug. I'm going to trim off the white because I don't want a border on my sentiment. So I'm just going to take my scissors. You can easily do this with your ephemera. If you want a different look and you don't want the borders on your ephemera, you can just trim it off. Easy as pie for most of the images that are not too intricate. So this one's pretty easy. Okay, so we have our sentiment trimmed out. Let's layer up, or let's add some glue to all my panels here. I'm going to leave a white border around. So we'll try to get that as centered as I can. Okay, and then I like to put my magnets down so it dries flat. So there's a few ways I can do this. I can do this horizontal or vertical. I can leave a space like this. I like him kind of off the pattern there, and I want this kind of like in the corner. I can do it like this. Let's see, I have my sentiment down here in the center. So that's an option. I kind of like that. It's kind of balanced. I can do it, have this over here more to the left side of the card. Then we can see more of these little cute bugs. And then have this coming off and that in the corner. So that's another option as well. I do like that as well. And then the third option is to flip it this way and kind of have this overlapping. See, this would go down here a little bit. And then our sentiment would be down here at the bottom. I think this is my least favorite one. Could also go this way. No, we can't go that way. So let's see. I think I'm going to do this layout here. So we'll add this one down first. So if you are new to the shop and the website, to find the box of the month, you'll go to the subscription section in the shop. You'll see the box of the month. And then if you want to join the club, there'll be a drop-down menu where it asks you to choose your frequency. And then you're going to choose monthly. And then choose that before checking out. You'll see an extra 5% discount added to your shopping cart. So I'm going to add this one. It's going to touch the top of that white border and then on the bottom as well. Make sure that's even. I'm going to add my magnet there. And I'm going to pop this sentiment up, and I did a wobbler on the other card, and I really want to do another one because I really like this image on a wobbler. Let's see. And I do have the mini wobblers, so I wonder if I still can get these wobblers. I used to be able to get them for the shop, so I will try if anybody is interested. I will try to see if I could get those back into the shop because they are really fun when you remember to use them. So I'm just going to add that right to the back. And then this will be like that. Let's pop this up on some foam. So this box is going to get you in the mood for some spring crafting. I can't wait for spring to come. I'm tired of the snow and the ice. So I'm going to put this right in the corner. Okay, I'm going to center that kind of like in the middle of the card. And then he's going to be kind of like popping off. Okay, I think that's a good spot. I'll press that down. It's so cute. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of embellishing. Let me get out some little gems or sequins or something. Get out my clear. Sparkle All the Way by This Calls for Confetti. Okay, we have 3 on there. I think that will do it. Super, super fun. Now I am getting really good at decorating the inside of my cards, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll use the leftover paper from this. Okay, I'm going to add a strip to the inside. Okay, and then a little bit of polka dots. And how about a heart? I can do the red one or the green one. Let's do red. There we go. There, now the inside is all cute and the outside is super cute. Now I have 2 adorable wobbler cards. I hope you guys enjoyed these ideas, and I hope you guys are getting excited for the new March box of the month. Meet me back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!